Today we're reviewing my only bottle from the brand SodaStream. This is a half a liter bottle. It's got this black design over here, which is plastic if I understand correctly. Yeah, it's plastic and this is crystal. This part is silver, like most of the SodaStream's bottles, if I am not mistaken. This is the part that normally changes. There is a silver one and the black ones. The black ones are made out of plastic as this one. And though it says half a liter, gotta make sure that you just put 450 milliliters inside. That's because when you are going to do your fizzy drink, if you put more than this, it's just going to, the water is going to flood. So that was my first rookie mistake when I tried the machine. Other than that, this bottle is pretty robust, like every other SodaStream bottle. And like every other SodaStream bottle, what I like the most is how well it keeps the fizziness of the drink. We can have a fizzy water made today, say in 2-3 days, it still maintains incredibly amount of fizziness, which is quite impressive. At the fourth day, you can start to see a little of a decrease in the fizziness of the water. Other than that, for me, it's pretty good. I often drink them right away. We've had this little bottle for about 3 years and it hasn't given us any problem. Just make sure that when you have your bottle, your fizzy water ready, just close it very well, and that way it will just stay with a lot of fizziness. We've got other bigger bottles. We use these ones more, but this is very handy, especially when you just want a small drink and are going out for I don't know, take it in your car or going out in a camping. This is a perfect size. So all in all, it's been great for us.